find a spot which Lusaran could not get to in time to save that ball. So the lead is 4. LaSalle 8-4. Coach Roger Goreev won in 5 sets yesterday against FEU. Doing his homework here at the San Juan Arena. And then back set to Ortiz through the block. He has been quiet. Talking about Mike Ortiz for a while. And announces a return with that running attack. Captain Judy Caballero on deck, 5 serving 8. Underhand set to Chu. Panaticla again. Door was shut at the net. Combination of Maraño and Esperanza, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's right. And it is Maraño coming alive also here in this 4th set.
Maraño to serve for LaSalle.
9 serving 5 here, set number 4. Lantin, Panaticla off the block. Underhand to Q. Oh, no spin whatsoever in the ball.
Mishit from Q. But I like the recovery of De La Salle. After UST hit it off the block, good pick up by Maraño and good set by Esperanza. You just had a mishit, but that was a good play for De La Salle.
Maraño with 12 points, 2 blocks, which is surprising, especially the blocks part.
Parang ang dami na kasi.
Oh, nice attack by Chu, but it's sent back by UST.
That's too close.
Overset. And it's UST point. Crawling back in this game.
That's too close. 3 ball given to Maru Panaticla.
Great defense by UST.
2 points for De La Salle. They're up by 2.
Down by a set. Sumabit.
Third service error for Ortiz.
As Giselle Chu is on deck. It's an interesting name. We'll find out the history of that name. Giselle Wench. Jesse De Leon mistiming it. Keeps it alive though. Oh, they lift. It's a lift.
On De Leon.
2-touch violation on De Leon.
So a little more spread here.
Back to 4-point lead for the defending champions. Nabitin eh.
Mali yung ano niya eh. Nakita mo yung...
toss.
Oo.
He was underneath the ball in that serve.
Shamil De Jesus. 7 championships for LaSalle. Back to back is what they're coming off. Going up against the second most in the league. UST with 14, of course. Far from everybody else is FEU with 29.
Nice set.
Galang. Balik kay Ara.
Nice!
Uy! Nakahanap ng pwesto. May kahalong swerte yan, ha?
She did that earlier because it almost goes exclusively to the cross court. This time, ayun, kung kailan malayo sa net, doon inihulog sa down the line. Caballero, hinayang na hinayang that she missed that kick.
I want to ask you something, Doc. With the UAP, when you're debuting as a team, and especially if you're the defending champions, and how many championships do you have? 4? Did you say 4? When you debut on the first day, mas gusto mo ba malakas ka agad sa laban?
Back when we were playing,
in the 50s.
Yeah, in the 50s. Una-una wala pang TV ata. Puti pa yung bola, etc. The normal things that you hit me with. But before, ito naman dahil totoo lang dahil we were mostly winning.
Yes, and you were defending always.
So we would always play in the opening in number 18.
That's right, because that's the schedule.
But that's the schedule. So you know that you're excited, but more than that, you know that
wala ka na ba magagawa?
Wala ka masyado pressure. Hindi, wala ka masyado pressure. Because you're not going up against the one you went up with the championship.
Do you remember losing on your opening day against an 8 team?
No, not happen to. It didn't happen to us.
To you guys.
Buti na lang. Hindi nangyari. But sabi nga, iba yung ngayon eh. Like what you said, medyo nag-even out yung mga team. So it doesn't matter. It's opening day. You really expect a tough team going up against you.
At Ateneo and FEU yesterday.
Tulad nun. And yung kaninang game natin.
And New Adamson, then UPU.
Yeah. All exciting games right now.
Just like the basketball tournament, like these teams are really stacking up, I guess would be the word, on their recruits as Caballero goes down the line. Cuts the deficit to 4.
Being the team captain, Judy Ann should take charge because the third set, medyo bumagal at humina yung kanyang attacks, and you know, your teammates kind of feel that if they look up to you and see that you're not really getting those points on the board and not getting your spikes through.
Free ball. Lantin, Ortiz, balik sa UST. Lantin back set. Caballero. Oy!
Yeah, back-to-back points.
Down that corner.
Caballero really has to get going here in this fourth set.
Sabi mo sa kabila, si Maranyo, si Caballero. Yung dalawang captain, in other words.
Dapat. On your screens is the team captain, Judy Ann Caballero. Back-to-back points. Is it in? Oh, it's too
Good
long.
decision by Melissa Rohig.
Whenever USC would get the momentum, those service errors, the earlier one from Michael Ortiz, this time from De Leon, just gives a free pass for De La Salle. Now it's up to 4 again.
Aragalang, always an effective server, and that's why. Ball is back right away. Ang ganda naman ng hanap.
Very smart.
Ibang-iba yung laro ng Lasal ngayon and in the third set compared to how frantic and disorganized they look in the first two. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.